In this video, I'll be showing you my 1964 Lincoln that I'm going to restore. Thanks, and keep watching. Yeah, so it's seen better days. It's been sitting outside for the last probably 3 years, and pretty much there is surface rust coming up through all the paint. So I've already bare metaled the roof, just paint stripped it. I've started on the boot lid here. So I'm going to finish this today, and then I'll probably start on the bonnet. And then after all that's done, I'm going to rust kill it all and put it in primer. Now the car is pretty rusty, as you can see. There's basically no boot edge. That's gone. Around this side it's about the same. Not very good, but it's all fixable. The inside's not too bad really, considering how rusty the car is. I'll show you the engine that it's got in it. So it does have a little Windsor out of an AU Falcon. It's just a stock engine. I put this turbo on it a few years ago, but thinking about changing it all, make it all nice, do it in stainless, and I'll probably go twin turbo on it. Probably just some eBay's GT30s or something. It's got this, I think it's a Pro Comp, like high-rise manifold with this Edelbrock EFI elbow and a GM like LS throttle body on it. I think it's 100 mil, 100 or 90 something, I can't remember now, but yeah, anyway, I might get stuck into doing some paint stripping. So this paint stripper is just from my local Bunnings. Seems to work alright, but it does dry out fairly quickly. It does work pretty good. If you haven't used paint stripper before, usually the thicker you put it on, the better it will work, and tends to last a bit longer, whereas it doesn't dry out as quick. But it's all trial and error. This thing's only got one layer of paint. And I've done the roof and the boot, and I haven't come across any body filler yet. So that's pretty much it for the boot. As you can see, all these little tiny brown spots, they're all surface rust coming through. So the next step will be to use a Scotch-Brite disc. It basically just goes on your buff, and that will remove all the little rust spots and not scratch the paint, metal. So next video I will put this on and I'll probably do a time lapse. Oops, shit. Time lapse at that and show you the result after it's done. So yeah, basically the engine setup, it is just a stock AU motor. It's got FG coils on it there. Does have a crossover. It's in the boot, but yeah, crossover from the manifold over there. Just come around the front and down to here, down to there. So, but yeah, I think I'll be changing all that, and I'll just go. I might go twins. Also, I'm probably thinking about deleting the power steering and aircon pump and going electric for both of those. And the computer I will be using is a ECU Master Classic. Great little unit. Have installed these in a few different cars. Just runs off USB. I've already got a flex fuel sensor in this, so I'm going to go multi-tunes on it. 98 and E85. But yeah, most of the wiring for the motor is actually done. Doesn't look like it is, but it needs finishing up. And I'll probably have to run some new fuel lines because the factory one runs this little tiny, I don't know, it's like 3mm return line. So I'll probably ditch both of those and run something a bit more adequate. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this type of thing, just make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.